is up, guys? It's the next night, and tonight we're going to be picking up my new drift car. I'm super excited. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is until we actually get there, but Nate is on his way with his trailer and truck right now. He actually just pulled up, so we're going to leave now.
Mama's on the porch yelling supper's hot. Y'all come and get him. We yell fire.
Jesus Christ.
It's bad.
Wow. That's crazy.
Let's take a picture for me.
Wow.
I just cut off the fender. Alright, so we got that far. Cars. Are we off the trail yet? On three. Watch your toes. I said watch your toes. That's my hand. Got a thumbnail for you. Okay.
Alright, break time.
At least it came up with. You got the bolts for the freaking windshield wipers.
I said we were just
You got the bolts for the windshield wipers. You're gonna need bends for the cage anyway.
That is true.
The only thing I can think of is adding another piece of pipe.
Or no.
Well, no.
Stop me before we get to the end, and then you can all hold it. And then
I think we should still just keep walking it. Man. You gotta move the tire.
Making progress.
Let's see, make yourself useful.
Wait, stick
the time.
I'm just scared about the
I got
drop
it.
off.
Here, do you want to pull the pipe out?
I think he's doing now.
No, put the pipe right against the hook.
Or you can just pull it out. Oh, because that's your stopping point.
That's what gonna stop me.
Okay.
Alright, Kevin, move this tire.
I know. I got it. Don't fucking pinch my fingers.
Don't
No
grab it.
promises.
Well, I
That's what
have
Evan
to.
said that. Bad things happen.
Alright. That didn't work. The pipe's just coming off.
Oh my god.
Cutting it up, dude. And cut the spare out and stuff, or let's wait.
Alright, so I'm pulling the truck out when you guys pick up.
Yeah, actually, we should probably pull the pipe out.
Right? Oh my god.
Alright, put it down slowly.
The best part is, no one was lifting when he started going.
Nate, you just started going. We weren't
No
even,
one was lifting.
We weren't even ready
I was
yet.
ready, but the truck is so loud. You all looked at me. I was like, alright, that means go.
I didn't hear a word.
And no one, you kind of just started sliding.
Damn,
and
dude,
we're
it's
like, oh,
already
shit.
fucking slammed.
I was about to say that.
Yeah, can you go for a ride?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, man.
You can drive.
Can I?
I feel like anyone else here.
There's so much headroom.
Alright, well there you guys have it. I got a 1996 240SX S14 shell. It's very, very clean. The only rust spot is about right here on the quarter panel. And then a little rust underneath on the passenger side. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you will have seen me getting this quarter panel because the quarter panel got bashed in by the previous owner. This one's a lot cleaner on both sides. No dents. Very clean. And there are no subframes on the car, which is okay because I already have both. There's no gas tank as well. Now it's resting on two tires right now, front and back. I will be putting it on jack stands tomorrow so we can get a better look underneath the car. It also came with an extra door. All of the glass is mint. Came with a sunroof, quarter panel windows, and the rear glass. And now I have to do the process of repainting the engine bay again, but I did manage to get a spray gun, and I also have a compressor, so that'll be a lot easier. Another rust spot is in the tranny tunnel. Back there, you guys can't really see it, it's pretty dark. But I will be bashing in the tranny tunnel anyway for the T56. And if you guys look down here on the rockers, you can't really see, but there is no rust. The rocker is entirely there on both sides. Floorboards are fully intact. There's no rust on the inside whatsoever. Well, I'm going to close this video up now. I want to give a huge thanks to my friend Nate and my friend Motosier for coming with me to pick up this vehicle. I'll put their Instagrams right here. Well, I guess that's going to be the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment what you think, and tell me if you like this new 240.